Hi guys, in the previous session we learned how to connect to a different data servers, but in the previous session I use Excel as my data source. So here are all the columns. So now we'll just save and visualize it. So let's see. Yeah, it's uploading. See, it's getting all the data, all the columns. Yes, we are having all the columns. So it's having different types of visual types, like is donut chart and all, KPI, vertical bar chart, pivot table. So in this case I'm using a pivot table, or we can say that it's a summary table. Okay, so now suppose if I want to know the sales of my item. Okay, so I'll just drag and drop to the item field in the row. I'm having all the items. Now if I want to know that who was the representative who sell these items, so I'll just add below the item to this representative. If I want to know the units, I'll drag here in the values, unit cost, yes. If I want to know the total amount of sales that representative made, so I'll just expand it. Okay guys, so now here is our basic report as per this items sold. Okay, fine. And if I want to change whatever, I want to give any name to my this visual heading to my this visual, so I'll just give sales summary report. Okay, fine. If I want to have a title to my this visual, I'll just go in add title and write here sales report. Okay, if I want to give the same name to my this analysis, sales report. Okay guys, so I got this report. So in next session we'll be learning different things. So till then, stay tuned and do subscribe my channel, so that I'll be uploading different kind of videos regarding Quicksight, okay, regularly on the regular basis. So please subscribe it, press the bell icon, and whatever the question you have, just ask me in the comment box. Till then, bye bye.